Designed and crafted for versatility, the Snowflake Dining Table is sure to incorporate your personal taste into its outlook, be it extravagant or minimal. Made from natural marble, this rustic design comes with synthetic lamination, assuring that it has higher stain and scratch resistance, while ensuring it never goes out of style. This six-seater includes strong rubber wood legs and a long-lasting metal frame. Experience both strength and durability with this sturdy build. Due to its use of natural marble paired with rubber wood, this table ensures complete ease in its day-to-day maintenance. Along with this set comes the Cream Treat Dining Chair, designed to be comfortable and eco-friendly. Made of smooth synthetic leather, this chair is also aesthetically pleasing, with its ivory shade offsetting the dark walnut of the legs. Built with a strong metal understructure, the Cream Treat Dining Chair is also ergonomically designed with an angled back, allowing for maximum comfort. Presenting the Snowflake Dining Set, built to complement your tastes in versatility and comfort. Visit your nearest showroom for details.